Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to share the Xiaomi Smart Camera C201 with your family. So if you want your family members to access the camera from other devices, for example, they can see the camera's output or even change some settings, and if you want to give that permission, the first thing that we're going to do is open up the Xiaomi Home app, then go to the Xiaomi Home tab on the bottom left, and then make sure that you have already connected the camera with your account. So after that, we're going to find our camera and just hold on it like this until this menu pops up. Then we're going to press more, tap share, then share via Xiaomi account phone. We're going to tap on that, and you can select what permissions the family members are going to have. So we can do either full control or view only, so that means that they cannot change any settings of the camera. I'm going to select full control, and this is where we enter the email of the person that you want to add. So that person needs to have a Xiaomi account already created, so they should download the app, log in, and once that's done, we're going to come back here and enter the email or phone number. So once the account you've entered the account, we're going to press OK, and the account should pop up. If it didn't and it says not such account exists, make sure that you have entered everything correctly. Then we're going to press OK, and once that works, it's going to send an email or a notification to the other person's app, and they should accept it on another device. For me, it doesn't work because the account has already been added, but if in your case you haven't added yet, they're going to receive the notification, and then they are going to have access to the camera, just like on this device right here. So that's pretty much it. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.